Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Thursday, April 10th, 2025. Now, yesterday we covered the Judge Hellerstein issuing a TRO in the Alien Enemies Act case. It was unclear while in the courtroom because sort of at the last minute, the ACLU pushed to get the scope of the TRO extended to all of SDNY, not just Orange County. They succeeded, and it's out. We've put it online. You can see it. There was also a case in Texas issuing a stay, and we also covered a case in the Western District of Washington State, the District of Washington, concerning refugee programs. So yesterday was pretty much Immigration Day. Today might be Crypto Day because Kwon of Luna has a conference that we're hoping. We've been fighting for the ability to live tweet it. There's also Eisenbeng of Mango Markets. So although it's widely reported that the enforcement against crypto has dropped, not against these two guys. Eisenbeng was convicted at trial, and Kwon is still moving toward trial. So we're going to be covering both of those. Now on the hype front, or music front, as you will, we're covering Drake UMG, UMG, about Kendrick Lamar's Not Like Us. Yesterday, Drake's lawyer filed a case management plan, slipping in there that there have been no settlement talks and that they estimate that the trial will take 3 weeks. So we put that online. In the matter of Diddy, Warner Brothers has, as we reported, moved to quash a subpoena for the fall of Diddy, and the U.S. Attorney's Office has joined in. Meanwhile, of course, Combs himself and his lawyers are saying that this new evidence is going to require a year of investigation. Will the trial actually go forward in May? We don't know. What we do know is that the Nadine Menendez trial is winding down. This morning, Barry Coburn, her lawyer, said for their impending defense case, which apparently would begin Monday, the U.S. Attorney's Office doesn't want to let in, according to Coburn, of course, evidence that did come in redacted form in the Bob Menendez trial. And there's also some other issues. So we wrote that, and we put that up. We also had yet another UN scoop. Even while banned from entering the United Nations by Antonio Guterres, a fish rots from the head. His corruption inside the UN headquarters is legion and legendary. But it's echoed in Paris by Azoulay. Azoulay finally, we have a series, it's now 133 articles, all of them exclusive, well-sourced. This one actually has a document. And in the document, the head of the Arab group of UNESCO from the UAE wrote in asking about this Mexican candidate that Azoulay is trying to get to as her successor, hand-picked successor. Well, Azoulay didn't like it and strong-armed the UAE, why its ambassador signed the letter. But he signed it in his capacity as head of the Arab group. It's a UN classic. It's a UN classic. In any case, it's an exclusive, and it's up. So as we write exclusives about the UN system, inside the UN, they take softball questions from state media. Yesterday being China, and you can find it online. We put up the video. A showdown is coming. It's Litmus Test 2025. Can Guterres continue with his corruption and censorship? So far he has, but let's see. Inner City Press, we're going in.